Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. Today we are tackling the 6th lesson in our Brushwork series, which is a model lesson on rose hips. We're using the book Brushwork, Elementary Brush Forms by Marion Hudson. If you missed our first few lessons, I'll link to them below, as well as to our website where you'll find more details, including brush and paint suggestions. Now in this lesson, I feel like we're starting to get into the nitty-gritty of brushwork. We're actually starting to paint objects from nature. If you're a Charlotte Mason homeschooler, like us, this is going to feel very familiar to you. The book suggests going on a nature walk where you can collect bunches of rose hips to examine. If you don't live in a place where rose hips are available, like us, you can certainly find some pictures and videos of them. Either way, take the time to examine them, noting the number, arrangement, and color of the leaves and berries. We're going to use only 2 colors for this lesson, red and green. The brown that you see is going to be made by mixing together the red and green. So when you're ready, place a small pea-sized amount of red and green paint onto your saucer. Now in previous lessons, we realized that our grid paper was different from that in the book. So if you have 1-inch grid paper like we do, you can find our adaptation of the graph on our website, and I'll link to that below. We're going to start with red. Fill your brush with water and color and begin with the brush forms along the top of the page. These brush forms are a little different than what we've been practicing so far. They begin and end in a point. Seems simple, but this is definitely not as easy as it looks, and it definitely takes some practice. Continue with the remaining hips. Paint the stalks and calyx with the tip of the brush. When you're done with the red, brush it off on a paper napkin, getting rid of as much of the red color as possible without washing it. We're now going on and painting all of the green leaves. You're also going to paint over the stalks and calyx, giving them a brown color. When you're done, be sure to clean your paintbrush thoroughly. Swish it well in a clean glass of water, adding soap if necessary. Be sure to remove all paint, ensuring no color appears on the napkin. And this concludes our 6th brushwork lesson. Thank you for taking the time to craft with me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.